Do you see how it just looks like my hair's going back?
To stimulate my mind with some metaphysical fire-breathing conversation. When I stroke your energy, I feel elated. No, it drives me crazy.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Destiny of Manifest by Destiny, and today I'm coming at you with a wig try-on review video. Today I am reviewing the OUTRE Converti-Cap. This is a premium synthetic fiber, and I got the Bahama Mama. It's a deluxe cap, so it lays flat on your head. It has a drawstring, and it is similar, or it mimics a natural texture. It doesn't say exactly what texture, but I feel like this is going to be like a type 4 texture. Unfortunately, when I went to my local beauty supply, they did not have the wig in a 1B because I wanted to do like my natural color, and then I also wanted to do like a special color. So I got the dark root chai latte, which is like a brown. I look really good in brown hair. And then we have the 1B30, which is classic for me. I look good in 27, 30, 33, like brown, blonde. I really look good in all types of colors of hair, but brown and blondes look really good on me. For this, you don't need any tools. You don't need no glue. You don't need any holding spray. You don't need your hot comb. You don't need your hair dryer, because I think it's gonna just lay down and it's gonna look beautiful for us. What you do need though is a wig cap. I have this like brown tan colored one on. I'm gonna go ahead and put my black one on top of it. One thing you will need though is a headband, and if you've seen my recent birthday haul, you'll probably see, I don't know which one's gonna come first, this or that, but I got this Scünci head wrap. I don't know, but Conair and Scünci. That's not Scünci, that's the shoes. Scünci. I don't know. So here is what my headband's looking like. Kind of like a turban wrap. So it's gonna sit kind of like this. I'm gonna try the Bahama Mama 1B30 first. Okay. But you can already see that texture. That texture is, it's there. So let's talk about the specs. This wig retailed for $24.99 at my local beauty supply store. I saw that most people say, try this wig for $15. So, but I did not pay $15 for it. I paid extra. I saw it on Amazon too. I'll probably put the Amazon link below if you really, really like this wig. That's a good way to know you'll get the color you want. So here is what the wig looks like. This is all of the colors that it comes in. So it says one wig, a million wigs. So you just got to be creative when you're styling this wig. So we have the main clip, the big clip in the front. We have the two side clips for your temple area, or I guess that'd be like your ear, temple area. And in the back we have the traditional small clip, and then there is the drawstring. And make note, when you do this drawstring, you want to tuck it under, like tuck it inside of your wig. I'm gonna shake her out. And this is the 1B30. The curls are very like uniform. I feel like frizz is definitely gonna happen with this, but I'm cool with it. And I feel like I've been talking enough. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on. And basically this is a one size fits all type of wig. So who doesn't want that? This is one of those throw on and goes. I'm definitely a throw on and go wig type girl. Okay, so I'm gonna open it up, put it on. I don't use the comb, so I'm not putting any combs in. I'm just gonna rely on the drawstring. So there's my hairline. I do feel like I need to push this back off my hairline because it's so long in the front. There's definitely layers here. We got all the layers are pushed to the front. Yeah, I'm definitely probably gonna like this as a headband because that fullness was just too much for me. So we're gonna push her back. I think I should have put the headband on first. Let's see. No, that was good. Now if this works, you'll see me be wearing this wig all the time. I'm pretty sure it will because I like the way it looks right here. Like pushed out of my face, I don't mind that this wig is full and big. But with that bang, not that bang. I wonder, is that copyrighted? It does look a little big though. But I guess that's what this texture of hair would look like if I had this much hair on my head. So I'm gonna fluff out the back because the back is feeling flat. My plant is probably like, girl, what is you doing? I like it like this. I could wear this and I wouldn't feel like weird. Like I just feel like I look like the normal girl with her natural hair just out who got some color. It's not too sheeny. You see like how my natural hair looks dull basically. That's how that one looks too. I'd probably go and get a different color headband or put a scarf around it just to give it a little bit more oomph. But from here, I could take it up and do my half up, half down style.
Baby, I'm needing you. Oh, baby, oh, baby, oh, baby, oh, baby, I'm needing you. Oh, baby, oh, baby, oh, baby, oh, baby, I'm needing you. Oh, baby, oh, baby, oh, baby, oh, baby, I'm needing you.
So here is me with the leave out. And you can get your part right there going. La do dee da do da. If I had my nails, I could just. Let's see. You can tell it's not 4C. I don't even know what type of texture I have, but for me, I'd have to flat twist my hair to get it to match this texture. Because if not, it's just gonna be cottony and kinky and pillowy. I just look like I have something right there. So these little things are getting on my nerves. Let's put you back where you belong. That's why I be having to wear 2 wig caps, because my hair is thick. She's thick, thick, thick. So here it is. There's a leave out. I'm gonna need some bobby pins to like pin her up. So I only found two bobby pins, so I must have threw them away the last time that I shaved my head. So I'm thinking but here is like the full wig look, and you just gotta make it work for yourself. I think I'm gonna do 4 looks. So I did the half up, half down. I did it with the headband. I did the leave out type of look, and then here's a full wig. And I want to try it with a ponytail. I want to do a ponytail. Okay, so here's what we're looking like with the next style. And then I take this headband and kind of like sit it right there and just
que tú eres mía, mía, tú sabes que eres mía, mía, tú misma lo decías cuando yo te lo hacía. Dile que tú eres mía, mía, tú sabes que eres mía, mía, tú misma lo decías cuando yo te lo hacía.
I just think it looks so much better once it gets fluffed out and old. So this is definitely one of those wigs that'll look better once it's old. And see, look what happened from that ponytail. You see all that hair in there from the ponytail? Maybe that's why they put so much hair on it, because they know it's gonna shed like crazy. Like that was probably one little track right there. Now to the chai latte, dark root chai latte. Look at that, look at that, look at that. So here's what the dark root chai latte is looking like out of the box. Here's her in comparison to that auburn, the honey auburn. I don't know why, but I thought this was gonna be a lot more brown, but it's definitely more of a 27-30 mix. But like I said, those are my colors, so I really like that that's right there. I wish it was just a little bit more, just a little bit more. No coupe. Let's see, do you see how it just looks like my hair's going back? If you want to relax the puffiness, I'd say get your brush and just, not brush, what's that thing called? If you want to kind of relax the puffiness, get it to sit down a little more at the top, I'd say use a hair dryer, but it doesn't say it's heat safe, so keep it like on low and just push it down. Trying to put this wig back in its packaging is probably going to be the hardest part. So that is my review of the OUTRE Converti-Cap Bahama Mama wig in 1B30 and the chai, or the dark root chai latte. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Comment below on if you're going to purchase this wig. Scorpio season, so you already know what that means. I heard Joe Biden I heard 46 was Scorpio. Hey. I met a Scorpio. Okay, let's get this video started.
Ready to stimulate my mind with some metaphysical, fire-breathing conversation. When I stroke your energy, I feel elated. No, it drives me crazy.